All right, this is a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. The problem we're having is the turn signals. When you turn them on, they would just start buzzing. And what the problem is, it's this relay. So let me plug it back in. This way you guys can hear it. So now it's plugged in. You can start the car or leave it. You hear that? It's just buzzing. So what you want to do is take the key out, pull this out, and I have a replacement one right here. It doesn't have to be exactly the same size as long as the pins are there and it's LED compatible. So once you change it, it's a little tricky to get it in, but just reference the old one. And now when you put the key in, back to normal.